Gaurav starts walking from point E and walks towards north and stops at point D. Point E at chungin at chana, point E at chungin at chana, north lama akala, stops at point D. Point E, point D. So I'm more in Zirtur. He walks 20 meters each time. He walks 20 meters each time and it's 20 meters. So D chungin. Now he takes a left turn and followed by a right turn. Now he takes a left turn and it's 20 meter left how and follows a right turn. Follows a right turn and stops at point B. Here, point B. 20 meter. So he finally takes a right turn le A and stops at point C. Right turn le A 20 meter le A and stops at point C. He walks 20 meter each time at 20 feet. Hello, Duro. Question na kan look na lang. What is the distance between the points E and C? Points E and C distance to C.
40.
Oh, 40. Hey, 20. Ito wala nga draw. Hey, 20 plus 20, 40. Option B. Ito nga question simple le look to mark tam thayla o mark ni bag item ron kalawang. Kema a draw hard out one mark tumte ron pulelo mo. In which direction is B with respect to E? B with respect to E. E achanga kan enin B hi enge northwest. Nyam northwest. Oh, option D. Question re puzzle te sitting arrangement te blood relation ang CHO hey sub question ne hawang khatu a question na all chuan mark ni te ron pu anga question na hard chuan mark thuma li manga thik pula betia. F is 16 meter north of point N. Ziak nga lang. Point F is 16 meter north of point N. Point F is 16 meter north of point N. Point P is 12 meter east of point F. 12 meter east of point F. Nilaw he lampang so. meter. Point L is 10 meters south of point T. Point T kan la nilaw. Point T changa south tura tita a hi chu kan dari photanga. Point M is 24 meter west of point L. O kan la nei chuang lao. Point O is 6 meters south of point M. N is 36 meters east of point O. He can make it. N is 36 meters east of O. O is lama. In na omdo na he lama hian O omdo dinani chu. Akoy de ulit ni ma. Ta hian O kan nei ya 36 meter niya. Point F and T are in the same line. Point L is 10 meters south of point T. Kan lachilawa O omna khainge. Point O is 6 meters south of M. Point O is 6 meters south of M ani chuan. M south a O oma 6 meter. Hi 10 le 6 alo chen tai la chang kai takin. Point M is 24 meter west of point L. 24 meter west.
Miss.
Oh.
Point M ka south ani chuan a hnuai jok lo. Point
O is south of point M south O M south O hey alit ling zong ang deuh tho in a ron soi zel ani kha o tong kam kha chuan point M is 24 meter west of point L west M om don ani chuan hi lama han L om de don ni chu lama han L om de anga chuan hi 24 meter chuan hi 24 meter lo ni venga hi 12 meter 36 abai in 36 point inge kan la zia lo khoi lai nge
Point L is 10 meters south of T.
ka thai ber hi mo point L is 10 meters south of T south lama L om don heta hian T 10 meter ni chuan hei abul hi T ni ta tro azon che hi 10 ania hi po hi 10 ani venga chuan F le T te hi one line na same line na nam dona hi 10 ani dona atong kam kha athlep kwal ven noi ani kha har chu ani lo na in thua ko su ve deu chuan question kan lu tang what is the distance between T and P T le P distance hey 12 ani atiro helai khat ni china han kan chut to kha 12 tho ani ta 24 36 jang 24 kan pai chuan 12 ania khan mi zon kha hi 12 24 option B point L is in which direction of point F point L is in which direction of point F southwest find the odd one out P chungin N chuka T chungin M chuka P L N M N chungin chawa F O ta chuk pok ta N M hi ni mai tiro a o chu option D lem direction chho so ngal zung mai don mi two friends Neha and Sita stand on a ground an spot in anga ti ther lo nia o ta hian mishal ngal ka shil ngalang chu an spot in anga ti ngal lawa same ground khatan omati ringota an ding du na ti chuang lawa Sita walked 10 meters towards north an jang halang Sita walked 10 meters towards north Sita initial position kalamnita se 10 meters towards north direction and reach point L. Then turn towards her right and walked 15 meters to point K. Towards her right, 15 meters. 15 meters and reach point K. Then turn towards her left and walk 5 meters to reach point S. Left side 5 meters to reach point S. Then turns toward her right and walked 8 meters to reach point G. Towards her right and walked 8 meters to reach point G. 8 meters reach point G. Kakasita chungchang ron soi ni ta a. Chuan Neha hi shanpa in hanjo le ta ila. Neha walked 9 meters towards east direction. Neha hi elai chang hianin ziak ta ilmo neha walk 9 meter east direction to 9 meter east moro ate don lutuk 9 meter east so anything at 9 meter kala and reach point B thenga. Then she turned towards her right and walked 15 meter to reach point A. Turn towards her right and walked 15 meter to reach point A. 15 meter and reach point A. So finally she turned towards her left side so left side and walked 9 meter to reach point G. 9 meter to reach point G. 9 meter to reach point G. Swan and stopped. Kami zong kami pe a. I think yang point G hi common point kan nei chu ni ta tiro he hi tu zong ni khan neha ni ta a he hi kan da ko pangai ta ni hemi chi hi kan nei te hi point G hi kan nei kop ta a tuna chuan point A le G inkar hi 9 ania S le G inkar 8 ani chuan engting nge kan zia ang point G le A inkar hi hian 9 meter lo ni ta se G le A inkar hi 9 meter ni ta se hemi chin hi 8 meter anianga tiro chuan hemi chin hi 1 meter anianga chuan B kan han draw le anga hi 15 meter chuan ti hian 9 meter ani chuan 15 anwai hi chu pel em lawang hi 9 meter neha tihan data pani kan nei te kha kan da khoma point G mang kan mo che thiam lo kan omem kan sha thiam chuan question ha kan kalang What is the direction of point A? What is the direction of point A? He tahan point A kan neya. Point A. With respect to the initial position of theta, ti omja chu a bulchan na theta I bulchan na katiro helai hi. Theta I bulchan na achang khan point A kha inge in direction nge. From theta and neha respectively neha posuitela theta kan zong masang theta chu northeast ro northeast ni photanga chuan neha chu southeast northeast and southeast option C. Which of the following points lie in the same straight line with point S? Point S nena straight line om de chu A le G te. Point A and point G, option D. What is the total distance between the initial position of theta and the final position of neha? Initial position of theta to helahinia, final position of neha to helahinita a. The total distance, total distance. Tingting e kanzo nang etahian mo. Etihan kan la anga. Chuan he hi 10 ani to atiro he michin hi 10 ania he michin hi 5 ani velianga 5 aniam 5 meter chuan he michin hi 9 ania he hi 15 ania 20 39 meter no ro he hi 8 8 tur hemi chin hi 8 ania hemi le lampang zong hi 15 hi 8 ania he lampang zong hi 15 chuan 5 le hi 5 ania hi 10 ania avain 20 38 answer total distance atia mo the nge kha a helaya
Pythagoras khang ai lo ni miss.
Pythagoras ang kha ngai lo total distance ti chung kamarun manawangin mo enge a displacement ang kha shortest distance between ang chi kha aron ti lo wangin shortest ang kha kan zong lawang shortest ti se chon Pythagoras theorem kha ni don mo chuan ta just total ani ta a tiang he kan zon dan tu zo ka ni